Confirm that the three circuits, A 2, 4, 6, and 8, and A 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, 13 are all 24-hour power, going up through there, straight up to your loads, not going in through your contactors. Only one circuit going in through the inverter, A8, which seems to be mainly just receiving, not the combos. That's a different breaker. One light in the vestibule. The three lights in the restrooms and the restroom hallway are not working. They have this, but they do not work. We'll get the info off of that, make sure they're properly wired and not on the motion sensor. And time to fix other people's problems again. Your regular light bulbs get 120 volts to the socket. Then your emergency strip light from Keystone E243157 cat number KTLM 300L9850 gets powered. A driver, this is the driver, gets 120 volt as well off of here. That gets powered, and this is your battery. Driver is KT EMRG LED 5500K1. The battery for it is emergency LED 5500K1. Does not matter how many batteries you got. What matters is you're fucking connected. Look at that, disconnected. Even 12 batteries won't make it light if it's not connected. So it might be a battery issue. This is your battery number. We'll get the model number. Don't see it. It might be on the other side. Oh, it's right there. Emergency Lighting and Power Equipment, GWOO Corporation. Wonder where that's from. Catalog number CB810DR HORCW1. This is 120 volt. Off. Yeah, so it's hard to tell, but there are some on the inverter. Turn it back. What is it, on now?